Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. This is probably one of the most easiest things you can do, but let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to have the app opened up, of course, and you just want to go to the settings on the bottom right corner, then click on your name at the top, and for me it says add a photo, but for you it says probably like change photo or something like that. So just click on that, and then you can either take a photo or choose a photo. I'm just going to choose a photo. Then just like that you can go to right here and just change the profile picture. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.
If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.